What's going on, y'all? Today I'm going to go ahead and do a trade breakdown of the trade I took in my Discord today, August 14th, 2025. This was the 36th trade I took in my Discord. My current hit rate is a 35 out of 36. I'll go ahead and break it down for you, but I took a 3-1-2 reversal to the upside. Okay? So, as you can see in pre-market, we have some continuation. When I see this in pre-market, I'm looking for either a breakup or a breakdown. All right, so let's go to the next bar. And boom, we have a 3-bar. Automatically, in my mind, I'm hoping, I'm waiting, and I really, really want a 3-2-2 reversal. That's what I want. And mind you, I'm trading QQQ on the hourly time frame. Go to the next one here. 6 a.m., you see we have market is open at this time as well. We have 30 minutes. I'm in California as well. So 6:30 a.m. the market opens for me. We have a 1 candle, and price was down here for a little bit, but we pushed up all the way over here before we did come down, and we down a little bit in the last 10 minutes. But at first, it was a very strong candle, a strong one up. It reversed all the way up. As you can see here, we were in a choppy environment. Price is between 2 fair value gaps, a fair value gap on the 4-hour time frame here, and then a fair value gap on the 1-hour time frame here. And one thing I do want to note here is that price goes back to wicks. Price traces back to wicks. As you can see here, we come all the way back down to our wick right here pretty much, and we shoot back up. Okay, and then if you look over here, I'll show that part to you later, but price retraces back to wicks. So I go ahead and I'm in my Discord. I know I have a 3-1 potential 2 on board. If we come down to the 30-minute time frame, we have a 3-1-2. Now look at this. Our entry is going to be the high of this 1 bar at 578.36. Our magnitude is going to be the high of this 3 bar at 580.99. All right, now look at this here. If we would have entered this play in the 30-minute time frame again at 578.36, we would have reached a high of 580.80. That is essentially, it's a $2 move to the upside pretty much. That right there is going to give you at least 100% profits. Okay, now we did not reach magnitude, and that's okay, because I do like to go ahead and say, when it comes to your levels in price, give yourself at least 5 to 10 to 10 to 15 cents, depending on what you're trading, like space, a cushion up and down. Don't expect price to go back to the exact single price every time, because check it out, chances are you're 70% up in profits, and you're gonna wait until you reach exactly 580.99, which is essentially almost a $3 move, and then watch your price come down and then lose your profits. Don't do that. But yeah, we have a 3-1-2 reversal on the 30-minute time frame. Great. That delivered over a $2 move to the upside. So I'm gonna go and take on the 1-hour time frame, because I like the 60-minute time frame a lot. It suits me better. I find a lot of plays on it, and it continuously pays. So we have a 3-1-2. My entry is going to be here at 580.81, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm entering 581 calls. Okay, I want the call that's as close to in the money as possible. I'm only 20 cents from being in the money. Now you see my magnitude, it's so close. It's only 10 cents, 20 cents from my entry. So clearly that's not my take profit one. My take profit one is going to go ahead and be right over here at the top of this fair value gap at this wick here. Like I said, price goes back to the wicks. So we'll see what happened here in the next hour. Boom. Entered here. We wicked all the way up here to the top of our fair value gap, just like predicted, and price came right back down. I took a 20% base hit. It touched 22% about 15 seconds. I trade market order fails. So once I seen that number, I went ahead and I just took my profits. We are in a choppy environment. We're trading between 2 inefficiencies. Why would I stay in? Why would I stay in? We just seen price reject down from that inefficiency and not fucking displace through. Okay? So I took a 22% base hit, and then price did end up going for my contracts 55% for my entry. They went from $1 to $155 from the point I watched. Let's go to my my chat this morning. So as you can see, I go ahead and note at 6:52 a.m. we have a full recovery on QQQ. We were down $2.50 in pre-market. We had a strong push up over $2, as you can see. So a strong 60s on board. I love strong 60s because if you make that into a 2-bar, we could have a 2-2 continuation with 2 strong 60s. It does not matter. If that bar is a 2, the second 2-bar will fill the wick and price will push. I'm telling you. So I break down here, we had a 3-1-2 reverse to the upside in the 30-minute. And then I go ahead and go let my chat know. We have a 3-1 potential to 3-1-2 potential reversal to the upside on the 60-minute time frame. We were waiting 4 minutes for the new hourly bar to come on board, and then go from there. I let them know my entry and then my trigger, and then let's go ahead and go to live signals here. Live signals. 7:31 a.m. in QQQ 581 calls at $1 light position, risky. 20% high risk, not anymore. Not anymore. I'm just going to take a look at my profits. Oh, and not just me showing the entire thing. I was in the trade for like literally 20 seconds at max. I was on live with a couple people as well. So from $100 to $155 like this in like 2-3 minutes. Let's go ahead and go to my profits and losses. I posted that here as well. It was a oh no, this is not today. Here we go. $750, August 14th, 2025. 581 calls. And let's just go back to my chat. I just break a couple things down. Yeah. So let everybody know I'm a scalper. I'm here to trade with precision. There was no drawdown in that trade. It was pure profits, but I knew I was in a risky, choppy environment. Why stay where it's choppy? In between 2 inefficiencies, the setup played out. It played out on the 1 time frame and doubled down on the 1 hour time frame. Excuse me, I'm at Starbucks right now. But yeah, the play hit quick. My current hit rate is a 35 out of 36 right now. Right now, I'm currently doing a mentorship. I'm currently doing a mentorship for $350. It's going to be 3 60-minute and 90-minute phone calls where I will fast track you to profitability. It does not matter if you are a beginner or somebody who's been trading for a while and you just need a little bit more systems in your life. I would fast track you to profitability. Leave a comment, drop mentorship down and go ahead and join that. I do have my Discord available at $50 a month as well. If you join my mentorship, you get a free month to go with it. Okay? When you join my mentorship, you do get an ebook I made called Precision Trading, How to Make Real Money with Real Rules, and then a call with me, and then of course this like 90% hit rate strategy I go ahead and do daily. So leave a comment, let me know if you learn anything. Let's make some money, y'all. All I'm into is making money. Peace.